Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 50 most polite, useful, and common English conversations about introducing yourself. Introducing yourself is one of the most important communication skills in everyday life. Whether you're meeting new friends, attending an interview, starting school, or traveling abroad, knowing how to introduce yourself confidently will help you make a great first impression and communicate more naturally in English. Let's get started. 1. Hello. My name is Emma. 2. Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you. 3. May I introduce myself? 4. Let me introduce myself. 5. I'm from Vietnam. 6. I live in Hanoi. 7. I was born in Ho Chi Minh City. 8. I'm 25 years old. 9. I work as an engineer. 10. I'm a university student. 11. I study English every day. 12. My major is business administration. 13. I enjoy meeting new people. 14. My hobbies are reading and traveling. 15. I like listening to music in my free time. 16. I love playing sports. 17. I enjoy cooking. 18. I'm interested in learning new languages. 19. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. 20. I live with my family. 21. I'm married. 22. I'm single. 23. I have 1 child. 24. My favorite food is pho. 25. My favorite color is blue. 26. I like watching movies. 27. I enjoy spending time outdoors. 28. I usually exercise in the morning. 29. I'm a friendly person. 30. I'm a little shy at first. 31. I'm happy to be here. 32. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. 33. It's a pleasure to meet you. 34. I'm excited to get to know everyone. 35. Please call me Alex. 36. My friends call me Sam. 37. I'm looking forward to working with you. 38. I'm glad to join your team. 39. I hope we can be good friends. 40. I'm always willing to learn. 41. I enjoy helping others. 42. I'm passionate about technology. 43. My goal is to improve my English. 44. I'm still learning, so please be patient with me. 45. Thank you for listening to my introduction. 46. That's a little about me. 47. I'd love to learn more about you. 48. Could you introduce yourself, too? 49. It's nice to meet everyone. 50. I hope we have a great time together. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 50 useful English expressions help you introduce yourself confidently, improve your speaking skills, build stronger communication, and feel more comfortable in real-life conversations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so more people can learn English together. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and keep practicing your English.